Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Greg here, and today guys I'm flying solo. So there's this creek guys, it's close to me. I drive by it twice a day on my way to work and on my way back home from work. So today guys I'm going to take you on a small adventure. It's not very long, it's maybe 300 yards of actual creek that we can wade. I haven't asked anybody outside of town yet if I can wade through their backyard, because it runs through their backyard. All right guys, so I'm gonna get my waders on, get my light action poles out here, and get the bag and some small jigs guys, and let's go smallie fishing in the creeks. All right, let's get it. A good hole right here. This should be holding some fish. I have caught a couple rock bass right here so far, but I haven't caught a smallmouth out of it yet. There we go. There we go. There we go. Get on in here, buddy. We got a lot of fight in you. All right. There we go, guys. First smallmouth in the creek. Caught him on the little joker jig. Good looking little fish, huh? All right, let's let him go. Guys, let's see if we can catch another one. Yeah guys, just I think it's a 1/16 ounce jig head, Arkie jig. This is a Strike King Joker jig. Excellent in these creeks guys, excellent in the creeks. Let's see what else we can find in here. There we go. Little rock bass. Ooh, easy fella, easy. There we go guys. A little rock bass, popping on the jig just the same. He comes shooting out from underneath all this structure here to the front of us. We'll see you later, buddy. There he goes. I'm just kind of floating this around, guys. Just trying to keep it just off the bottom. I wonder if there's any more smallmouth up through here, huh? It's a real good deep hole right here. I wouldn't have figured that one smallie there would have been the king of this little roost right here, but apparently he was. Because I'm not seeing anything bigger than him yet. There we go. Rock bass. There goes. Little rocky bass. Get back in there, buddy. There you go. Start working our way around to the bridge now. I fished this hole here pretty heavily. I was so disappointed. I was really expecting a fish in here. I don't know what's going on. This is a real good place to catch them for us so far. or two. Oh, take it easy, buddy. Take it easy, buddy. Take it easy, buddy. Guys, trying to lightly grab this fish. Hey, they're in here, guys, but man, they are hard to come by. See you on another trip, buddy. All right, let's try for another one, guys. Man, I made so many casts on that corner too, guys. It just goes to show you, these smallmouth are just so particular about their food. There's a rock right here in front of me, and that smallmouth was sitting right on that rock, and I threw at this rock repeatedly from over there to my left. And he would not touch it until I brought it through there, and I dropped it right down into that rock and let it sit there for just a second. And then he was all gung-ho about it. I'm definitely making it further through here than I thought I was going to, guys. I wasn't sure how far I was going to be able to make it tonight. It's getting late. I just got off work not too long ago. So this is one of those spur of the moment trips. All right, guys, that's the first pass through. A couple smallmouth, a couple rock bass, a little green sunfish. This little creek's been pretty good to us so far, guys. So Jack's Feet, it's right here in Steinsville. Cute little town, cute little creek, guys. I'm really starting to love this place. It's really starting to grow on me. Being that it's about 10 minutes from the house, really does help a lot, guys. All right, I'm gonna fish up here to the other bridge and see what we can catch, guys. Maybe we can get on some more smallmouth. So guys, it's time to go. I was able to grab one more smallmouth. Gonna let him slide on up out of here. We'll get up out of here and I'll tell y'all bye. Oh crap. Alright folks, it's dark, but I got a hold of something big. I can't tell what it is yet. He's putting up a good fight. I'm trying to get it over here in the daylight. Or in some kind of light so I can see this thing. I don't know if it's a big smallie or what. I think it's a smallie. I think it's a good one. Yeah, it is. Yeah, it's a good one. Some piss poor lighting, but we was able to get finally one good fish out of here. Not a bad creek bass at all.